Hey, stupid. We're recording? Yes. Come on, dummy. Get out of here. No, not up. Not up. Down, down, down. Come down. Come down here. You're going to hurt your head. Oh, God. What a big dummy head. Come on. Out. You want to go down, then up. Here, let's go this way. No. You're about as smart as a bird. Here, let's get this broom here. And we'll beat the bird to death with the broom. Come on. Down. You're supposed to go down. No, down, down, down. Not that way. I know you're dying here. Let's go down. It's okay. No, no, no. Come that way. No, stupid. Dumbass. Come on. Out. Go this way. There you go. Now, down a little bit. Down a little bit. Down. Less vertical. More down. Alright, come on. You're gonna like pass out from stupidness. That's alright. Come on. Come on. Just come on. Come on. It's alright. No, 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 go down. That's not down. Ay, ay, ay. Alright, so what we need to do is we're going to close the gate. What an adventure. Oh, look at it. Ay, ay, ay. Alright, let's go back up. Alright, you're up this way. Nope, nope, flying the wrong direction. And down. Not vertical. Come on. Onto the ground. No. Oh, God, you're so dumb. We're never going to get this thing out of here. It's Saturday. Come on. Your name is Bob. This is Bob the bird. Bob is too dumb to get out of the... Alright. Alright, come on, Bob. Come on, Bob. Down, Bob. Down, Bob. Down, Bob. Down, Bob. The other way. Not up. Yep, keep going down. There you go. Woo, we did it. Oh, my goodness. Goodbye, Bob. Have a great life. We'll miss you. Actually, not really. Well, that was the adventure for today. I don't think we need another one.